Si Sandra, nagbibisikleta. O sige, I'm gonna push you. Oh, you can do it. Okay.
Galing eh.
Wow, well done, Sandra. She just learned it yesterday. Oops, nearly. We're here in the park. Where's Kuya?
Here.
Oh, here's Kuya. Okay.
Hindi ka mahirapan, mami. Simento siya.
Okay, you go to the road.
Kasi mahirapan tayo mag-bike sa damo.
You push him.
May sipulo.
Oh, yeah, oh, Kuya. Oh, Daddy, you do it. You do it. Is that him? Oh, yeah.
Oh, stop mo na. Stop, okay lang. Marunong mag-bike, oh.
Bagong
Oh, baka sa bisikleta niyan, marunong siya mag-single. Sa wakas natuto rin. Oops! Natumba siya. Go, Sandra. Go. Practice na kailangan. Practice. More practice.
Yeah.
Oh, tingnan na dito.
Which one do you want? This? Or how do you want? Both? Elephant go. Ako, sino mo mag-football? You first, you first.
Oo.
Just put it in for.
Oo.
Oo, parang lang.
Ang parehas lang eh. Monkey. Ayan. Sige, akyat. Oh, one more. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. And carefully. Ayan. Oh, go more. Higher. You reach the top. Oh, see the monkey? Oh, careful ah. Oh. Where are you going now? Done.
Walang live video. Oh. Oh, Sandra. 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 Pinapinila oh. Ano si Mami? Yung mo pinanggalingan ng dalawang bata oh.
Galingan ng monkey ah.
Ayan. Ito yung bunga. Ayan. Ito yung bunga. Ayan mga bunga. Ito yung sanhi. Ayan. Oh. Yan si Cyrus. Oh. Nanood ng live doon. Ayun oh. Ng football. Oh. Ano to?
Ayan na yung dalawang monkey. Look what they're doing.
That's the good monkey.
That's the good monkey. Where's the bad monkey? Use the other one. Oh, that's dangerous, Cyrus. You're trying to reach the bar? Hmm?
I want to go there.
Oh no, don't do that. It's not the proper way. No, no, no. Someone should hold your bike. Wait for Sandra to hold it. Oh my gosh. She's a monkey. She done it. Well done. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's the pig. It's the pig's turn now. The monkey has finished. It's the pig's turn. Oh, come on. Let's see if you can do that one. Sandra done it very well. I don't know if it's Cyrus. Ooh, that's the funniest one.
Tama na. Ano yung pagkakaji yung kamay mo?
Di ba dati?
Oh, that's the gorilla there. Wow, he really looks like a gorilla. And this is the pig. Okay. Oh, okay again. That's enough. Let's go home. Daddy, my turn. Come on, I'll do it there. Let's see if I can do it.
Nakarecord na pala yun eh, yung kamay ko. Ay, si mami niyan, alam niyo naman, di papahuli ito eh. O yan, yan ang big gorilla. It look like a monkey. Monkey. Ano, monkey? Okay ka lang, monkey?
That's enough. Let's go home. Oh! Oh, Cyrus, come up with a friend.
O, bike ka na, Sandra. Oops. Yan. Gusto mo monkey? Aba, ang galing ni monkey ah.
Ay! Ano naman?
O, yung isang ano, yung big tummy naman, yung big tummy.
Kaya ko pa yung ano ito.
Mami.
Push mo ko. 1, 2. How about oink?
Ayun, oink daw, yung oink naman. Ay, basta daw lang. Itungtong mo sa bisikleta. Harap dito, oink oink. Oink oink, tingin dito, oink oink. Oh, ang galing ng oink oink ah. Hindi ko marap dito yung oink oink eh. Oh!